Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go upward on the ladder on Brainly from beginner to expert and so on. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Brainly, and after that click on the Me, which is your profile, and scroll down, and here you see the ranks. So now I'm the beginner, and it said that new users who have still time to prove themselves. So by answering questions on Brainly, you are going to get points. You see that I have 30, and I have to have 50 to get the next rank. So the second one is Apprentice, which is how I set 50 points, and it says that a brainy apprentice has been on the site for a few days or weeks and is learning a lot from their peers. They are moving up the ranks quickly now and will soon be a rising star. Their ambitions will inspire you to answer more questions and bump up your ranking too. Alright, after that is the rising star for 75 points, and the rising star is one of the fastest movers on Brainly, determined to reach the rank of expert or above. Talented and laser focused rising stars are trustworthy answers who are quick to lend their skills to Brainly community. Alright, and after that is the helping hand, which is 100 points. This rank is assigned to people starting the adventure with us, wanting to help others. Seeing someone with this rank, you should think about users who will answer your question with a smile on their face. Alright, after that is the ambitious 250 points. You can see that you have to earn for that plus 150 points. So yeah, you have to answer a lot of questions, and it says that if you need help from someone reliable, someone who has already helped many people, then you can expect all the best from such user: trustworthiness, accuracy, and fascination with the world of science. All right. Oh, and we have a lot more. So yeah, this is the virtues for 50 100, and it refers to brainliest answers given within the last 30 days. And it says that only users who stand out, who in addition to high activity have also excellent reviews and opinions of other users, can obtain this rank. Our users have repeatedly found answers provided by these people to be the best, and that's why you can always expect high quality of answers for them. Yes, after that is the expert for 1000 points, a perfect user verified by many others, the provider of the highest quality of answers. After that is the ace for 30,000, for 3,000, sorry. And it says that if from an expert you can already expect a lot. Just think of what an ace has to offer. These users are constantly active and they have been with us for many months. This should speak for itself. And there is the genius for 15,000 points. Users who have been helping others for many months, conscious and very precise. They know their thing. You can expect to get the best of the best answers for such a user. So yeah, so you have a lot to achieve in this platform. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Bye bye.